Here at the heart of the facility,
It
measured and mixed, required for the next stage. One of the most important stages.
Start now.
हमारी नूडल फैक्ट्री में आपका स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा कि नूडल्स कैसे बनते हैं। आसान चीजों से लेकर तैयार पैकेट तक, हर स्टेप, पूरी प्रोसेस देखने के लिए आखिर तक बने रहें।
Check the manifest for the salt delivery.
It matches the order quantity.
The ingredients are carefully measured and mixed until the dough reaches the precise consistency required for the next stage. Now comes one of the most important stages. Precision cutters transform the dough sheet into hundreds of perfectly uniform noodle strands. Before the noodles leave the factory, every production batch goes through strict quality and packaging checks. Here at the heart of the facility, our state-of-the-art systems ensure quality and efficiency at an unprecedented scale.
And that's how noodles are made, from carefully measured ingredients to fresh noodle strands, all the way to the finished packet ready for the shelves.